Hey everyone, okay, so new product alert. New Time Retreat Restorative Skin Essence, a new addition to the Time Retreat collection from Eve Lom. Oh, and use the code WAYNE20 for 20% off site-wide. So the Time Retreat Restorative Skin Essence. Now this is a lightweight, water-like essence that delivers massive hydration while plumping and priming the skin. The essence features a Time Retreat Biocomplex, a plant-based alternative to their encapsulated retinol. It is beautiful. It supports your skin's natural rejuvenation process, visibly reducing fine lines and signs of stress. Plus, it's clinically proven to improve your skin barrier. Just apply a few drops into the palms of your hands and gently press onto cleansed skin, focusing on your face and neck. Use this as the first step after cleansing morning and evening. Trust me, this is a beautiful product. And Eve Lom, by the way, is one of the few skincare brands that I genuinely love. Now next is the Eve Lom Time Retreat collection, which I've spoken about many times before and I've used for a long time. I truly love these products. Featuring the Radiance Repair Retinol Serum, Daily Rejuvenating Cream and Smoothing Eye Complex. So first up, the Radiance Repair Retinol Serum is literally transformative. It is so gentle and so beautiful on the skin. Now this features liposome-encapsulated retinol, AHAs to exfoliate, powerful but oh so gentle, and this can be used twice daily. And for those that need an extra hug, the Daily Rejuvenating Cream is that comfort for your skin. It is so hydrating and so perfect in its nature that your skin will look flawless. The Daily Rejuvenating Cream delivers a dose of essential hydration that lasts for up to 10 hours after use, plus a whole host of ingredients that promote healthy aging. This is your dose of, oh my God, look at my skin. And finally, we've got the Smoothing Eye Complex, which is a proprietary blend of liposome-encapsulated retinol, prebiotic oat kernel that actually helps to visibly smooth lines. This dual action effect allows the Time Retreat to target signs of aging without disrupting the skin's natural balance. And again, use the code WAYNE20, 20% off site-wide. Oh, I love Eve Lom. Now, Decipher. This is a foundation that is actually matched exactly to your skin tone. It's not a complicated process. You take a couple of pictures, you send it to them, and guess what? They create a foundation that is exactly spot on for your skin. I've used it 3 times in a row, and guess what? Each time it's came out absolutely perfect. You can pick coverage, intensity, gorgeous dewiness, matte, whatever. It's such a nice brand. Oh, guess what? I just got some new makeup from Gogh. So I've not really had a massive amount of time to use this, but I've got a blusher and a bronzer. There's some eyeshadows. It looks so good. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of an in-depth thing on this soon. And I also got this beautiful highlighter from NARS. It is so pretty. Light reflecting luminizing powder. It is delicious. Also a company I've never heard of, Rombe. They do sunscreens and we all know it's important, blah, blah, blah. We've got to use a sunscreen. Never heard of this company. It's so nice. I got a spray sunscreen, which is lovely. And I also got an everyday sunscreen, which as winter is coming up, my skin is getting more on the kind of combination problematic side. It just feels so good. So good. There you go. That's some new products. They are new. They are new. Don't forget, use the code for Eve Lom, 20% off. What a joy this video has been. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.